Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the transparent mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. To find the transparent one is pretty hard because it's not really visible, as you know, transparent, but you can always use your radar in here. So I actually find it in here. Okay, this one, transparent one in here, and it's usually hidden with other fish, so you need to catch it carefully. Okay, I got it, the palm panel with transparent mutations. Okay, so I successfully got the palm panel fish with transparent mutation, this one. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you on the next one.